Hey, if you're watching this, you are interested to know more about 29 megapixel industrial cameras. This short video will take you through the advantages of a 29 megapixel industrial camera, some common uses for defense, aerospace, and machine vision applications, some advantages of this type of product, technical specs, and where you can find out more information. All right. So, here are the things we'll cover specifically. We'll get into the applications a little bit, and we'll give you a recommendation on a very high-performance 29 megapixel camera. Finally, we'll give an overview of the specs and where you can get more information. Here's the thing, 29 megapixel industrial cameras are relatively new in the camera world. Basically, 2011 they started to become more prominent as far as being introduced by major camera manufacturers based on the Kodak TrueSense sensor. So Kodak was purchased by a management company, and they're now called TrueSense, but it's basically the Kodak technology, and it's based on interline transfer CCD sensors. And these are very high quality sensors. Kodak, of course, has been in the business for some time. So some of the advantages of using a 29 megapixel CCD camera would be the obvious one, which is high resolution. And the high resolution is going to give you a better accuracy in your system, whether it be industrial or defense related. It's going to give you a low image lag and a low smear when you use these specifically. And the frame rates actually are pretty reasonable. We'll talk about those in a moment as well. Some of the typical applications you're going to see are going to be different types of industrial applications, such as wafer inspection, interferometry, solar panel inspection. You'll see these used in microscopes for both industrial and biomedical uses, as well as research. Very typical to see these used in semiconductor inspection, and also different types of applications for defense and aerospace. And let's not forget solar panel inspection. Any type of inspection where a large sensor would be beneficial. These are very advantageous cameras. And the typical uses and the types of things these cameras are used for are going to be things like inspecting for defects in wafers, for example, automating inspection in factories, looking at different things like cracks and different types of disconnects in circuit boards, intelligent traffic, so different types of states. In the U.S., if you travel too fast, U.S. and Europe, you could get a nice picture of you speeding mailed to you. And some of these larger format sensors are able to spot from great distances and with great accuracy your license plate. So I guess that's the downside if you drive too fast of these great cameras. But in all seriousness, they're used for an increasing number of applications for very high-end uses, which they will continue to be used for. The camera we recommend, and we are a supplier for many years of very high quality cameras to defense, government, research, and machine vision applications. The camera we recommend is made by SVS, and it's the SVS 29050. Here's a short overview of the specification of the Gigi version. Now, if you don't know what Gigi is, you could go to our website, and we have some tutorials on Gigi, and CameraLink is also available as well as an interface. Same thing, if you are unsure what that is, the website information we'll provide in a couple of minutes. We'll tell you how to get that a little tutorial for free. The reason why Gigi and CameraLink are used as interfaces is because of the bandwidth. This is very high resolution, obviously, and they're able to get pretty good frame rates of 5 frames per second. So here's just some basic overview. These cameras are available in both Gigi and CameraLink, as I mentioned, and also in monochrome or color. And there are a few different versions too that we can help you out with, based on things like the frame speed and output bits and things like that. What we like about this camera, it's very reliable. It's from a reliable supplier. They've got a lot of experience with these type of sensors. It's a very compact design. So you can see it. Picture of it here. We have mechanical step diagrams, of course, that we can send you So it's great for space constrained systems. The throughput, it's pretty fast considering the amount of pixels. Certainly, if you don't require as much resolution, we do have other resolution options available. But if you're looking for the highest that's out there today, then this is the option for you, and a great option. So it's easier for OEM integration. I mean, this product is a member of a family with different types of resolution options and different types of sensors. So it's very flexible. You can tailor it. You can do things like remove the cover glass for interferometry and things like that. And last but not least, certainly our firm will give you a very reasonable price, especially depending on the type of customer you are. If you're an OEM, we have very attractive pricing on this and very fair and reasonable pricing, regardless of how many you're looking to buy, even if you're just looking for one. So some of the specs, the technical data. So it's progressive scan. You see the housing dimensions and just some information about the temp range, and of course it's a fully warranted product. You have different software that comes, or you have software that comes with it that controls the camera and allows a number of functions. So there's a few very interesting features with this product as well. And if you'd like to order, if you'd like more information, certainly visit our website, www.ricecamera.com. We're Rice Camera Technologies. We are a trusted authority in these types of products. And if you go to our website, you can also find more information. You can receive technical data sheets and manuals under the product section of our website. Depending on your application, if you're looking for machine vision, you could see machine vision products on our website. And also there's a section for military cameras as well, and it's divided up by wavelength. So just a quick summary, why us? Well, we've had a very close partnership with this manufacturer for many years, so it's basically like dealing directly with the factory. We work very closely with them, and we work very closely with you to make sure that we have the right camera for you. We've been a trusted supplier for major organizations, very high-profile projects, and SVS as well. They've been around for a long time, so you get experience, you get fair pricing, and just get easy companies to work with. So we make it easier for you to choose us, and we're here to help. So certainly give us a call or an email. Our email is sales@ricecamera.com, and we would be happy to help you out. So thanks for listening, and we will talk to you soon.